What's going on, guys? Seancutshair back with another video. We got the Gold FX boost from Babyliss today, and we're gonna check them out. All right, so if you haven't heard of the Gold FX boost, if you guys did see my custom FX video, I touched on a new motor, a more powerful motor. The rubber grips were also added, and you guys, we've talked about you can buy them on the Custom FX app. But guys, this is the Gold FX boost. It is all of that wrapped up into basically an upgraded Gold FX. And of course we have the trimmer too. So we're gonna open these things up. We're gonna read the back, see what the difference is, see what these are all about. As always, guys, we'll do a haircut with them. I'll let you guys know what I think about them. All right, guys, so for the clipper first, it says new upgrades right on the front. 6,800 RPM brushless motor, higher capacity, lithium ion battery, texture rubber grip, and DLC fade blade. So, man, all these clippers I've been getting lately got the fade blade on them, guys, but you guys know we can cut hair with anything, and also the blades can be changed on almost any of these clippers that I've been talking about. So you guys know we can throw a taper blade on here if we want to. Let's go ahead and check out the back, guys. It says new DLC fade blade. We just talked about that. 5 detent taper control, so that is the click lever. We've talked about the word detent before. It was on, I think, the Lithium FX video. I didn't know what the word detent meant, so I'm gonna look it up, put it on the screen. New high-speed, higher torque, brushless motor, 6,800 RPMs. I'm not sure what the old one was, guys, but 6,800 is an improvement on this one. All metal housing, new diamond textured rubber handle, 3,300 mAh, I think that's an electrical term, lithium ion battery, over 2-hour runtime. You can use it with the cord or cordless, dual voltage, and it does have the hanging hook on the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and read the trimmer, then we'll get them both out and we'll check them out. So here's the trimmer, guys, and some of the upgrades on it, on this little sticker. It has the same higher capacity lithium ion battery, the texture rubber grip, and the DLC deep tooth cutter blade. On the back it says new DLC deep tooth T-blade, high speed, high torque, brushless motor, 7,200 RPMs, all metal housing, new diamond texture rubber handle, 3,300 mAh, lithium ion battery, same thing, 2-hour runtime, cord or cordless, and the hanging hook. So pretty much the same thing, guys. Obviously one is a clipper and one is a trimmer, but they're pretty similar. Same look, same new features. So let's get these things out of the box and check them out. All right, guys, so here is the clipper, the Babyliss FX Boost. You guys can see it is gold. I don't have a gold FX here, but this gold does look a little bit different. Let me grab this trimmer and we'll compare them. All right, so I said trimmer, but I grabbed the shaver. You guys can see, I guess it's pretty similar. I haven't had the actual Gold FX in a while, so I thought it was a little bit different of a gold, but looks pretty much the same. All right, so you guys can see basically your standard FX clipper, same as the Gold FX. It does say boost here on the side. See if you guys can see it. Kind of cool, boost on the side. We do have the rubber grips like we talked about. All gold, everything except for the grip. It does have the fade blade on the back. You guys can see, again, not a fan of the fade blades, but we'll deal with it. We're gonna try this thing out anyway, just how it is. But there you go, guys. That is the Gold FX Boost clipper. I do believe I saw they put out some influencer clippers that are the green, purple, and red, like the Lowe's Cut It, the Frank the Barber, and the Patty Cuts have their own version of this in the green, purple, and red. So that's pretty cool, and I'm not sure when those are coming out. But for now, we have the gold. All right, guys, then here is the trimmer. So basically the same idea. You guys see the boost, it's a little bit smaller on the trimmer, kind of hard to see. But basically the Gold FX skeleton trimmer, the OG, obviously, guys, with the rubber grip, new and improved motor, new and improved battery. We call it the boost, and the DLC 2.0. So again, guys, you guys know I love the original FX blade. I use the 707B graphite blade, which is basically the original fine tooth cutter blade off the Gold FX, just in graphite. Not always been the biggest fan of the DLC blade. So again, guys, we're gonna have to test these things out, see how they work. As far as I know, guys, the clipper is pretty much the same as this one that I have, and I was definitely impressed with it. But we're gonna test it out. We'll do a haircut with it. We will use this trimmer on it. I might even grab the gold shaver and use it on it as well. So if you guys wanna pick these up, they will be coming out May 1st. So coming soon, and you guys can use my code Seancutshair and you guys will save 10% on the Boost FX. Is it the Boost FX? On the Gold FX Boost. I had to look at the box. And guys, don't forget, you can also build your own custom FX just like these in different colors. You can get the rubber grips, and you can still use my code on the Custom FX app and save 10% there as well. But anyway, let's get these things charged up. Let's do a haircut with them and see what we're thinking. Alright, so you guys may have seen this tutorial a week or so ago. I talked a little bit in that video on my feelings about the Boost clipper. And guys, obviously, like I said in the beginning of this video, it is similar to the custom FX that I had. So overall, still a great clipper. If you guys are a fan of the FX clipper, then this is definitely an upgrade. I had used one since they came out, I guess probably about 2 years ago. I have my custom green one, and then I got the black one after that, or the black and gunmetal one. But I have always been a fan of this clipper. Like I said, I've had it for a while. And the Boost is definitely an improvement, guys. The power is a little bit better. Definitely an improvement there. And then the battery life is supposed to be improved as well. Now guys, you know I have the power mat, so I don't really deal with any issues with the battery or clippers dying. But I definitely did enjoy using this clipper. And I have a couple more videos coming featuring this clipper. Alright guys, we're going to do one more haircut with the Boost FX, the Boost Plus. Not really sure what exactly it's supposed to be called, but overall I am definitely impressed with this clipper, guys. I definitely enjoyed using it for a couple weeks. If you guys want to grab one, it actually drops right now, May 1st. It came out today. Like I said, guys, if you want to grab one, you can save 10% on the Babyliss website using my code Seancutshair. But anyway, guys, if you like this video, do me a favor and smash that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and help me get to 50K by July 1st. You guys already know we're going to do that crazy giveaway. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think of the Boost FX and if you're thinking about copping one. And as always, guys, I appreciate you watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.